Hey there, moneymakers! It's your girl Jane, here to guide you through the financial maze. Don't worry, Creator totally approved this message. Listen, we work hard for our money, right? But what's even harder? Figuring out where to put it so it can make us more money. Today, we're diving into the ultimate financial showdown: real estate versus stocks. It's like the Avengers of investments, but instead of saving the world, we're saving your bank account from being basic. So buckle up, grab your snacks, because financial education should always come with treats, and get ready to level up your money game. By the end of this video, you'll be throwing out financial jargon like a pro, impressing your friends, family, and maybe even that cute barista at your local coffee shop. You got this! Welcome to the world where dreams of owning a home become a reality. Whether you're a first-time buyer or a seasoned investor, there's always something new to learn in the ever-evolving landscape of real estate. All right, folks, let's talk bricks and mortar, baby. Real estate isn't just about buildings. It's about creating a space where memories are made and futures are built. It's about the excitement of finding that perfect property and the thrill of making it your own. Real estate is basically land, and anything that's attached to it, like a house, a building, or even a glamorous unicorn stable. A girl can dream, okay? It's the foundation upon which we build our lives, our families, and our communities. Now, when you invest in real estate, you become a landlord, a property tycoon, the ultimate boss of your own domain. Imagine the pride of holding those keys in your hand, knowing that you own a piece of the world. Think about it. You could buy a property, rent it out, and bam, you've got a steady stream of passive income rolling in every month. It's like having a golden goose that lays eggs of financial security. It's like having your money work harder than me trying to understand cryptocurrency. And trust me, that's saying something. Real estate can be a complex world, but with the right knowledge and strategy, it can be incredibly rewarding. Plus, let's be real, there's something super satisfying about owning a piece of the earth. It's a tangible asset that you can see, touch, and improve. It's a legacy you can pass down to future generations. It's like, universe, I see your game, and I'm playing it right back. Owning real estate gives you a sense of control and accomplishment that's hard to match. But hold up, before you go on a property buying spree, remember, even real estate has its quirks. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are contracts to read, inspections to pass, and sometimes unexpected repairs to handle. You gotta deal with tenants, and let me tell you, they come in all shapes and sizes. From the dream tenants who pay on time and take care of the place, to the ones who might give you a few gray hairs. You got your always pays rent on time tenants, which are basically unicorns in the tenant world. These are the folks who make being a landlord a breeze. Then you got your accidentally turned the bathroom into a swimming pool tenants. These are the ones who keep life interesting and remind you that property management is not for the faint of heart. It's a wild ride, my friends, but with the right mindset and a bit of patience, the journey from renting dreams to owning them can be one of the most rewarding adventures you'll ever embark on. Now let's talk stocks, baby. The stock market might seem like a mysterious place, but it's actually a fascinating world where your money can grow. Picture this: you walk into a store, but instead of buying a product, you buy a tiny piece of the entire company. Imagine owning a small part of your favorite coffee shop or that trendy boutique you love. That's basically what a stock is, a little slice of ownership in a company. It's like having a piece of a puzzle that completes the bigger picture of the business. So when the company does well, its stock price goes up, and you make money. It's a win-win situation. The better the company performs, the more valuable your piece of the puzzle becomes. It's like magic, but instead of pulling a rabbit out of a hat, you're pulling profits out of thin air. Okay, not exactly thin air, but you get the point. The magic lies in the growth and potential of the companies you invest in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Jane, the stock market sounds more confusing than your dating life. And trust me, I get it. The jargon, the numbers, the ups and downs, it can all seem overwhelming. And you know what? You're not entirely wrong. The stock market can be a bit of a roller coaster with its highs and lows. But don't let that scare you away. The stock market can be volatile, like that friend who's always up and down. One day it's up, the next day it's down. It's like riding a roller coaster at an amusement park. Thrilling, but sometimes a bit nerve-wracking. One minute you're celebrating a win bigger than my last YouTube collab, and the next minute you're down more than my self-esteem after watching a makeup tutorial. It's a mix of emotions, but that's part of the journey. But here's the thing. With a little bit of research and a whole lot of patience, the stock market can be your golden ticket to financial freedom. Educate yourself, stay informed, and make smart decisions. Think of it like online shopping, but instead of buying shoes you'll wear once, you're buying assets that could potentially make you rich. It's about investing in your future and making your money work for you. Disclaimer: I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research, blah, blah, blah. Remember, investing always comes with risks, so be sure to do your homework and invest wisely. Okay, gladiators, it's time for the main event: real estate versus stocks, the ultimate showdown of risks and rewards. This is where the rubber meets the road, where dreams are made or broken. Are you ready to dive into the nitty-gritty of these two titans of investment? In this corner, we have real estate, the heavyweight champion of tangible assets. It's the tried and true investment that has been around for centuries, providing shelter and a sense of security. It's safe, it's stable, it's like the friend you call when you need to borrow sugar or a down payment. Real estate offers a sense of permanence and reliability that few other investments can match. But don't let its steady demeanor fool you. Real estate can also pack a punch when it comes to expenses. From property taxes to maintenance costs, owning real estate is not for the faint of heart. We're talking property taxes, maintenance costs, and don't even get me started on what happens when a pipe decides to burst. The costs can add up quickly, turning your dream home into a financial nightmare if you're not prepared. And in the other corner, we have stocks, the nimble and agile contender, known for its potential for high growth. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can offer significant returns if you pick the right ones. Stocks are like that friend who's always down for an adventure, even if it means jumping out of a plane, with a parachute, hopefully. They can take you to new heights, but they can also drop you just as quickly. But just like that adrenaline junkie friend, stocks can also be unpredictable and volatile. The market can swing wildly based on news, economic indicators, and investor sentiment. One minute you're riding high, the next minute you're questioning all your life choices. The volatility can be nerve-wracking, especially for those who are risk-averse. So, who will win this epic battle? Is it the steady, reliable real estate or the high-flying, unpredictable stocks? The answer isn't as clear-cut as you might think. The answer, my friend, is it depends. It depends on your personal financial situation, your goals, and your risk tolerance. There's no one-size-fits-all answer in the world of investing. I know, anticlimactic, right? But that's the reality of investing. It's not about finding the perfect investment. It's about finding the right investment for you. But seriously, the best investment strategy for you depends on your individual risk tolerance, financial goals, and how much you're willing to commit. Whether you choose real estate, stocks, or a combination of both, the key is to do your research, understand the risks, and make informed decisions. Happy investing! All right, moneymakers, it's time to stop watching and start doing. The world of investing is waiting for you. And trust me, it's way more exciting than watching paint dry. Unless you're into that sort of thing, no judgment. The first step is to educate yourself. Read books, watch videos, like this one, duh, and talk to financial advisors. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to your money. Next, figure out your financial goals. Are you saving for a down payment on a house? Early retirement? A lifetime supply of pizza? Hey, a girl can dream. Once you know what you're working towards, it's easier to create a plan to get there. And finally, don't be afraid to start small. You don't need to be a millionaire to start investing. Even if you can only invest a little bit each month, it will add up over time. Remember, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago, but the second best time is now. So, what are you waiting for? Start now. Dive into the world of investing and make your money work harder for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Finance Hub for more tips and tricks. See you next time, moneymakers. Keep hustling.